In this video, I will show you step by step on how to delete a photo on Facebook. So you can follow the step on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, go and open your Facebook app like this one. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this three line at the top right side. After you tap on this three line, now tap on this section, this profile icon. After you open your profile icon now, scroll to down. Now you can be able to see all the photos that you post on your Facebook account. As you can see now, I post all these photos. So now, if I want to delete a single photo on my Facebook account, all I have to do now, just go and search for the photo that you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this one. So if you want to delete this one, just tap on this three dot beside the photo. So tap on this move to trash. If I tap on this move to trash now, it will delete the photo on my Facebook account and it will move it to somewhere on my Facebook account. To tap on this move to trash, move. So as you can see now it says moving to trash. So now if I refresh my Facebook account, if I refresh now, if I go back now I can't be able now to see the photos because I already delete the photos. So that's it guys on how to delete a photo on Facebook. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.